Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service, no Discord rooms, or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, we have a new report for tomorrow's session. This is another Nasdaq biotech potential short squeeze play like our last one. Monday's alert opened at $1.89 and hit highs of $2.56 about an hour in on strong interest, which continued into today's session. This was a 35% move off the opening bell even after a significant gap up. And as I said yesterday, if you could trade pre-market, you made even more. You can click that link in the description and sign up with Webull and get with our referral link and get up to 12 free stocks when you deposit at least $100. To get our full report on this Nasdaq biotech trading under $3, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Well, guys, today was a pretty good day across the board. As the bulls are back in force. Tesla and Nvidia, which represent the two biggest proxies for the overall market, both rallied today. Nvidia and Tesla calls all printed money. We also got positive news about Bitcoin. Bitcoin rose after top 27,000 for the first time since August 17th, after a federal court vacated an SEC ruling that had prohibited Grayscale from starting a Bitcoin ETF. A 3-judge panel granted Grayscale's petition for review and vacated the SEC's order. Other cryptos jumped on the news. Ethereum, Binance, XRP, Cardano all rallied. Also, with the crypto string, stocks exposed to Bitcoin also rallied. Mara was the biggest runner, up 28%. WULF up 20%. RIOT up 17%. HUT up 16%. Coinbase up 14%. And Microstrategies up 10%. What it said here in the order, the commission failed to adequately explain why it approved the listing of 2 Bitcoin futures ETPs, but not Grayscale's proposed Bitcoin ETP. In the absence of a coherent explanation, this unlike regulatory treatment of like products is unlawful. We therefore grant Grayscale's petition for review and vacate the commission's order. Grayscale sued the SEC last June after the agency felt that its product failed to meet requirements designed to prevent fraudulent acts and protect investors. Grayscale CEO Michael Sonnenschein argued that U.S. regulators were discriminating against his cryptocurrency investment firm by continuing to deny approval to exchange-traded funds based on the spot price for Bitcoin. This is a monumental step forward for American investors, the Bitcoin ecosystem, and all those who have been advocating for Bitcoin exposure through the added protection for the ETF wrapper. Grayscale said it plans to work closely with the SEC on next steps to bring GBTC to NYSE ARCA as a spot Bitcoin ETF. The ruling could potentially pave the way for other spot ETFs. Early last month, BlackRock refiled its application with the SEC to roll out an ETF that invests directly in Bitcoin. The asset manager's move to add new details to its proposed spot Bitcoin ETF came after the SEC reportedly said recent applications by BlackRock and others were inadequate. It's excellent that the judge in the Grayscale versus SEC case was able to see the obvious correlation between Bitcoin futures and spot price. Products like Grayscale's holdings have converted to ETFs and other commodity markets, and it makes no sense to treat crypto differently. Rules for financial markets need to be based on data, not arbitrary and capricious sentiment towards a legitimate and growing asset class. And in terms of Coinbase, this was a big jump for Coinbase as they are in litigation with the SEC, and there is hope that they could also prevail in their ongoing battle with the SEC regarding altcoins and staking. And then from last night's video, SCTL, I talked about this one Monday night, rallying off the 40-cent move here. Had major insider buying. As I said, the bottom looks to be in on SCTL. So this is nice continuation today, up 12%. FNGR broke out of the wedge, closed above $5. Nice price action here. AI, talked about this one, held the 150-day moving average. That's why we're getting the bump off here. As I talked about last night, a lot of people look at the 50 and the 200-day. I make it simple. I look at the 150, keep things simple. It's a lot, it's the KISS system. Keep it simple, stupid. Rite Aid continues to rally, as I said, about we're going to get the shorts covering. They're getting nervous ahead of the bankruptcy. They've made a lot of money in Rite Aid. It's a wise move to start covering down here. Carvana up another 2 points today. Major insider buying. CEO Ernest Garcia bought $116 million worth of stock at $37. So that was a major vote of confidence. XPEV continues its run higher. I said nice chart breakout. Looked like a bottom off the 14. We got the consolidation right under 17. Then you got this breakout. This is charting 101. Keep things simple, guys. It'll save you a lot of headaches. Focus on the obvious plays, and that's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. Profit taking in GNS down 26% today, and then VFS, guys. I've been telling you about this one. I said it's been a great trader. Don't own it. Just day traded only, and it was a great short today. This here was the sign that that the stock had topped out, and then today you get the panic selling. As I said, these stocks take the escalator up and the elevator down, so trade accordingly. And basically what's going on with Vinfast, it's rallied for 6 straight sessions. Traders are calling the share price move lower a reality check after the thin public float created an unusual dynamic. The current market cap on Vinfast still around $95 billion, makes it the third most valuable auto stock. The stock debuted on the Nasdaq on August 15th, following the completion of a business combination with Black Spade Acquisition Company. The EV maker has delivered close to 19,000 EVs as of June 30th, is also preparing for the upcoming launch of the VF3, VF6, and VF7 models in Vietnam and global markets. The stock, as I said, it's just trading at irrational levels, thin float, and, don't own it, trade it, as I said repeatedly over the past few days since it started trading. We're also the stock has not set a date yet for its first earnings report. That will give an insight into how the financials and how the stock is currently doing. Next up, I'm also watching AXLA. Nice day today, up 298%, but this one could still have more upside as they got big news. The granted patent for long COVID fatigue treatment. That is a major issue for people that have had COVID and they're dealing with long COVID. So they were granted a patent. Certainly keep your eye on this one going forward. I think you're going to get a lot more traders paying attention to this one as long COVID has been a major issue. Big Lots, BIG, better than expected earnings, close up 26%. I've been talking about this one off the 478 pivot, rallied all the way to 11.6, corrected down to $6. Got a nice run here today, but again, it's still trading above the 150-day moving average of $10.43. We need to close above there, and we'll really get the shorts scrambling. We got a lot of overhead resistance here. Again, this one is, I would be trading this one, not holding it, because it could pull back easily. But it's, again, once it starts moving, it gets the short scrambling, you get that momentum, and you get that short covering action. GSAT, nice action today, closed up 23%. Big news here as the company appointed Dr. Paul Jacobs as CEO. He is the former CEO of Qualcomm. His family billionaires, they know what they're doing. He joins the board of directors. Talks about here, he grew Qualcomm's revenues from $5.7 billion to $25.7 billion as CEO from 2005 to 2015, while adding approximately $50 billion to its market cap. So again, the stock up 23%, but again, I think this one has a lot more to go, a lot more room to run. This is a major hire and big news for the company. Next up is TIGR, closed up 28%. Big news today on their earnings. Quarterly revenue climbed 23.5% year over year to $66.1 million, which trounced analyst consensus estimates for $44.7 million. Non-GAAP net income $15.3 million, or 9 cents per ADS, also well above adjusted earnings expectations of 4 cents per share. The company added 29,000 funded accounts during the quarter, bringing its total to 840,900 accounts. This is a Chinese brokerage. There's a lot going on in China. BABA is coming back. PDD had a big day today. China is trying to goose its economy, and these stocks could be beneficiaries. Really nice action here today. Closed above the 460 pivot from last month, and then also the 452 pivot from back in February. So this one here looks set to challenge new 52-week highs around 580. So pay attention to this one. Tomorrow night we get earnings from CRM, Salesforce, CRWD, Crowdstrike, and Chewy. All three have been big movers on past earnings reports, so be looking to trade these on Thursday. And what I do here at InsiderFinancial.com is put stocks on your radar that have the potential for outsized moves. As I say repeatedly, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, and lithium stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at InsiderFinancial.com and unsubscribe. But Wednesday's main focus for our subscribers is our report on a Nasdaq biotech prime for a major breakout. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Finally, guys, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great Wednesday, traders. Bye-bye.